Hi everyone, you're welcome back to the second calculation on physics 102. So I'll be solving this particular question. Actually, let nothing scare you. This question is very simple. The only thing you need to do is just to know how you're going to calculate for the one of series and the one of parallels. And make sure you know that this your R1 here and R2 is in series. So remember the formula that I gave you that you calculate with series. Let's assume this one is what RA is equal to R1 plus R2. This is what we are going to be calculating. And know that the one of series, you're going to use this R1 and R2. So you're going to be calculating the one of series. And I'll tell you how it is being done. When it's like this here, you're going to say your RA is equal to, if you see your R1 here is 20 ohms, so come and write 20. So this one is having plus sign, 20 plus 20. So our RA is going to be what? 40 ohms. So make sure you know that this particular circuit is having two particular uh, types of current, which is what series and also parallel. So this particular one, this box that you're seeing here, is the one of parallel. So what you have to do is you calculate for this particular side first, then you can calculate for this particular side, then you calculate for this box. That's the second thing you're going to do. So now our own our own series here, series was what? R1 and R2. So our parallel, which is this one, is going to be what? Our parallel is going to be R4 and R5. So this is the R4, this is the R5. So you now know how you're going to put them as. And remember, I said, let me put parallel here, and this is series. So our parallels we're using R4 and R5. So the first thing you need to do is to calculate out this one, then you come and calculate this one in the box. Remember, I said that the formula of our when calculating parallel is what? 1 over RB equals to 1 all over R4 plus 1 over R5. You can still put it as in a simple way. Say RB is equal to R4 then R5 all over R5 plus sign R4. The other thing you come and do is to substitute the value. When you come and check your R4, which is this one, is 40. So you come and say RB is equal to 40 and your R5 is what? Times. Remember I said once you don't see anything minus or plus sign here is a time, is a multiplication sign. So our R5 here is 30 all over our R5, which is here again, which is 30 plus 40. Now when you calculate this particular one here, you say RB, because when you say 40 times 30 is going to give you 100 and 1200. Then you say 30 plus 40 is going to give you what? 70. When you divide it, come and say RB, it will now be what? 1 no 17.14 ohms. Yes. So this one we have just worked for this side and for this side. So that's one of the things we work. So now you should take note that once you have bring out this one, you have not finished the other values, which is this side and this side. You must have to come and what, draw another circuit again. You're going to draw another circuit. So you're going to draw another circuit like this, and you have to indicate all of them. So we know that in this particular place, this was where our series is located. And if you can come to this particular answer here, our series here is giving 40, which is this side. So you come and write your 40 now here, 40 ohms. Remember, we also calculated for this one. This one here, it was a box here. So we calculated for this particular one, which it came and give us 17.14. 17.14. Okay. So in this particular place, this place will be our what? RB. And this particular place, you're going to bring back this 20 here. This is our R3. R3, which is a 20 ohms. Okay. When it's 20 ohms now, this particular side, if you look at this one here, it was 10 ohms. Here, it was 10 ohms. So you bring it back to this place, 10 ohms, 10, 10 ohms, this ohms, 10 ohms. This is our R6, it's still our R6. Okay. Then when you come back to this particular side, this is our R7. R7 here was what? 10 ohms. You can see it from here. This is your 10 ohms. So you bring it back here. You come and draw another circuit there. So this is how you bring out the circuit now. So remember, we are going to what? Make sure we use the other side again by using, we're going to calculate series again. Going to calculate series again. Okay, this is our series now. So we're going to be using a formula now. Since this place is our RB and this one is our RB, this is our RB and this is our RB. So you're going to come here now to come and say your RB will be equal to R3 then plus R6. So make sure you know that you already have your RB, which is this one. You have your R3, which is this one. So you're going to come and say RC will be what? RB plus R3 plus R6. Okay, this your RB here is from this complete one because you have already calculated. So now come and say your RC is equal to, you carry this 40 ohms, so you say 40 plus your R3 here, which is 20 plus your R6. Make sure you know which one is your R6. This was our R6. This is our R6. So our R6 is what? 10. So when you come and sum them up together here, say 40 sorry, we made mistake from here. Our RB, we're going to start from this side. Sorry, this is the side we're cutting. We're going to be cutting from this side. So we said our RC is equals to RB plus R3 plus R6. So RC is going to be this one, 17.14 plus 20, which is this one, 20, then plus our R6, which is 10 here, which is 10 is here. Okay, then you go and say RC now will be equal to, when you sum up this one together, 17.14 4 plus 20 plus 10, it will now give you 47.14 ohms. So we just finished the one of series now. Okay, we just finished the one of series now. So we'll be entering the one of parallel. I'm just going to go straight to the formula, which is RB is equals to what? R4 R5 all over R5 plus R4. Okay, so we now equal to our R4. Our R4 from this place up here was what? 40 times, and R5 R5, which is going to be this particular number for this one. This was the answer for this one. So we are going to use this one to bring it here. 47.4 divided by, because your R5, you should know that your R5 is still 47.14. There's a 1 here, equal to, when you do this times this and divided by this, now come and give you 21.64 ohms. So this is the solving of everything that we had here. So if you have a question, you can comment so that we'll share ideas together. So thank you very much. I really appreciate you all. Make sure you practice it, you learn it. You can also share it to your friends that are also in need of this particular solving too. Thank you very much.